How to fix sign-in error that Microsoft account doesn't exist. Microsoft 365. First, double check that you are entering the correct Microsoft account email associated with your Microsoft 365 subscription. Make sure there are no typos or mistakes in the email address. Open the Credential Manager on your Windows PC by searching for Credential Manager in the Start menu. Click on Windows Credentials, then locate and remove any entries related to Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Office. This clears outdated or corrupted sign-in data that could cause errors. Restart your computer after removing those credentials to refresh your system's sign-in data. Clear your browser cache and cookies if you are signed into Microsoft 365 through a web browser. This removes older, corrupted data that could interfere with account recognition. Make sure you are signing in with your work or school Microsoft account if your subscription is for business use, not a personal Microsoft account. If the problem persists, sign out completely from all Microsoft apps and devices, then sign back in using the correct account. Finally, check with your Microsoft 365 admin if you have one to ensure your account is active and properly assigned in Azure Active Directory if applicable. Subscribe.